why you playing games? Baby, why you fucking with a lame? Cause that nigga not gon' change, so that we are not the same. But you are with me, switching lanes, but I won't drive you insane. Baby girl, be my main thing. I'm just tryna change things. Baby, stop playing games. Stop playing games. I see your stories on IG, I know you got a man. I also see you always posting when he make you mad. He be playing with them pennies, got you looking bad. Use a diamond, you and him, that shit.
What's going on YouTube? You know it's your boy Lindsay. Back full effect, you go already know how hey man, check it out. So we got Black Pumas ice cream, man. Black Pumas ice cream payphone type shit. But yeah, I did one of his songs about like 2-3 weeks ago. I was definitely rapping. My man got some motherfucking vocals. I ain't even gonna lie, that nigga can sing, boy. Hold my man, stop it now, hold up. Last time I seen him in the bathtub. We outside today, huh? We feeling good today. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Talk. Huh? Yeah. Come on, Black Puma. Whoa. Oh, my man feeling good. He really strutting that bitch, man. I'm loving the energy, bro. Strutting that bitch on a park bitch and all that. Fuck you talking about? Ain't stopping this walk. Nigga said I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. Talk your shit. I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. Yeah. Whoa, I need to see all that. I'm every time I hit the motherfucker. Yo, I made a whole mob. So. Hey. Okay. Hey! Whoa! Oh my God! I made the motherfucking. My man paused the high step that bitch off the tracks, yeah! Hold up! Nah. We gonna get the pause too. Watch the pause. Hook up that telephone now. Who the fuck still got a house phone, bro? I don't think nobody got house phones anymore. I hope we talk about the mobile, because I don't think nobody in America has a house phone anymore. I ain't seen a house phone in centuries, bro. Like, literally. Except for, like old ass people, like 60, 70-year-olds and shit. I don't want you wanting to see your mouth either, too, bro. Whoa. I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. Solo guitar. On some chill shit now, huh? Yeah. One hand on him. It's getting hot on this bitch. The motherfuckers. Hell no, what man hit the Put vanilla on top. I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. I'm an ice cream cake with vanilla on top. You heard me? But yeah, man, that's going dope for that minute. My man Black Pumas, man. My man was funny as shit, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. But hey, man, that's gonna do it for that video. I just want to see that comment below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the vibe, man. Peace.